What if restoration wasn't just personal, but cosmic? What if God's plan wasn't just to save us, but to restore all things? At Kingdom Restorers, we believe that Jesus didn't just come to rescue us from darkness. He came to awaken sons and daughters to walk in their original design, to heal the broken, rebuild families, revive communities, and realign the earth with heaven's blueprint. This is kingdom restoration. It's not religion, it's not performance, it's identity restored. It's partnering with the Holy Spirit to heal hearts, break cycles, and release heaven's power right where it's needed most. In homes, in cities, in nations. Romans 8 tells us that all creation is groaning, waiting for the revealing of the sons and daughters of God. That's us, and it's time. We've been called to more than surviving. We've been commissioned to restore through the spirit of adoption, through presence-led living, through kingdom solutions that rebuild what the enemy tried to destroy. This is the era of restoration, of family, of faith, of fire. We are kingdom restorers. And this is just the beginning.